Hey guys, welcome to today's video, and I hope you guys see the background again has definitely changed. The lighting, I don't know if you guys can tell as well, has kind of gotten better a little bit. Also, I don't know if I should leave this light back here or take it out or whatever. Let me know what you guys think. It's a bit distracting, I think, because like, you know, here and there, but I don't know. So let me guys know if you guys care or not care for it. I kind of want that there because without the light, that corner of the room is kind of dark. Like, I don't know. Do you guys really care for that? Do you not care for that? Let me know. I'm just gonna leave it on for this video. But yeah, let me know if you guys care for that. But anyways, you guys, so in today's video, it's gonna be a little bit different than my usual content. It's gonna be about nails today. And in case you guys don't know, which I hope you guys do, but in case some of you guys don't know, I don't normally or typically do my nails. If you guys checked out my previous videos or been a long time subscriber, you can tell that I am not much of a nail person. I don't really paint my nails too often. Like in one video I'll have like my long nails, I'll just chop it off in the next one. I've never done any acrylic nails either, or really much of gel nails, shellac, or anything like that. I did work at a nail salon when I was younger as a receptionist, but that's the extent of it really. You know when you paint your nails and it's just like the one nail just gets all ruined, and it was just like, well, it is what it is, or it takes way too long to dry. So that's one of the reasons why I don't really like to do my nails too often. And also, I'm not really fond of going to the nail salon, getting my nails done, and all that stuff. So it's not really me. I will go for a pedicure though, but not much for a manicure. So with that being said, Madame GLAM did reach out to me, and they did send me the polishes and everything to give it a try. And obviously, I've tested out, and I wanted to let you guys know that this is quite easy. Like, this is a really easy at-home like gel manicure. Like I said, I don't really do my nails. I am not a nail tech at all, but like, look at this, you guys. Like, you can get this at home. Yeah, you can. So I'm gonna show you guys the tutorial and just talk a little bit more about the product. But obviously, before we get started, I've rambled a little bit too long. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring that bell so you're notified when I do upload a new video. And don't forget to give this a thumbs up if you ever tried Madame GLAM or just love like easy at-home manicures without the fuss and all that. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle right there, and let's get started with the video. Alright, so with all that out of the way, before I show you guys the tutorial, I just want to talk to you guys about a little bit more about the brand, the company, before we actually get started and my experience with it. So if you guys are interested in Madame GLAM, I do have a code for you guys for 30% off. I will put it in the description box below and on the screen right here. Just head on over to Madame GLAM, check out their stuff. I get no commission off of this whatsoever. It's just a code for you guys to get 30% off. They do have a VIP membership as well, just to bring it down a lot lower, but I don't think the code applies if you do the VIP membership. But if you guys don't want to go through that membership route, there's the 30% off for you guys. So once again, Madame GLAM did reach out to me, and they wanted to send me some of their products. I took a look on the products and everything, and at first I was just like, well, gel nails, like in my mind I'm thinking gel nails, like I need to have like the drill bit to take it off, and it's, in my mind, it was such a hassle. But looking into the brand, the company a little bit more, they do have, of course, different types. So they do have one, it's like the all-in-one type of polish, where it's like a base, the color, and the top coat all in one. Like, you don't have to worry about it. All you have to do is cure it. And then they have their soak-off polishes, where you have to put on the base, the color, and the top coat. Another reason why I was not really keen of like doing like gel nails or shellac or whatever, anything at home, is because the UV light, that device itself is normally pretty clunky. Like many years ago, they introduced that, and I was thinking, this is so convenient, but then at the same time, it's so clunky that I wouldn't know where to put it. So then I figured, like, is there a point for me to really buy it? Because the amount of times I will use it, it's just gonna sit around, it's kind of clunky. Where am I gonna store it if I don't use it? So there's that whole aspect of it as well, so I just didn't bother. So again, when I looked into Madame GLAM and looked at their products, they did have that option as well, but they also had like a portable version of it. So I'm thinking, Okay, so this could work. And looking at their soak off polishes, I just want to be sure that like, these are actually soak off and I didn't need like to have a drill bit to like remove the excess, right? So thank goodness that they are actually soak off. I don't need to have the drill bits or anything, just, you know, the usual soak a cotton pad with acetone and then just literally just soak them and then it'll come right off. Of course, any excess on there, just like scrape it off, but they're pretty easy to remove. The application itself is very quick and easy. I didn't find any issues with it whatsoever. And also the shades that they sent me, like I love neutrals, and the fact that it's fall right now, like this kind of like goes in with the theme of like fall and everything, so I love that. This is called Always Late, or Always Latte, sorry, but of course late, and it's like a very like rosy brownish type of color. It kind of like matches my watch band a little bit. I did not even know that, but it kind of matches that a little bit. Maybe that's why I like it a little bit more, because it kind of matches that, you see? I didn't need to fuss about like banging my hands or anything because they are gel and I love them. Like as you guys can see, it is quite shiny. And I think I did a pretty good job at like application wise in terms of like at home. So unfortunately I did not swatch the rest of the shades, but another thing that's great about Madame Glam is that whatever shade that you look at on the website, majority if not all of the shades, they have a video at the very end from other YouTubers that did the swatch themselves. So in case you're very skeptical about the color on the image, I would be too, because it's not 100%. They have the video at the very end, again, most if not all of their shades that other YouTubers will swatch in their videos and they would feature it on there. So I find that really great, really convenient that, you know, that's on there, because like sometimes it's like I kind of want to know the true shade. The images can only do so much, and the fact that it's readily there for you instead of going on YouTube and searching for yourself, it's really great. So anyways, you guys, I'm going to show you guys the tutorial and then voiceover Nadia will guide you throughout the way. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and the demonstration. So the lamp that was sent to me is the LED lamp. This lamp is very portable, and when you click the button once, it'll be 45 seconds. Click it again, it'll be 60 seconds. They did send me the base coat, the top coat, and the 3 shades: Always Late, Belle Epoque, probably pronouncing that wrong, and Back to Cali. Before you apply the polishes, make sure you prep your nails, of course. Cut the cuticles, push them back, and then buff the nail in case there's anything else on there. And also to make sure that there's no dust or oils on the nails, just so the polish can adhere to it a lot better. So what I do, I cure the 4 fingers here and like on either hand, and then do the thumbs last, just in case if there's any polish that is on that goes over to my skin, I can use the clean nail to take off the excess. And then you cure it under the LED lamp for 45 seconds. So you can do 45 seconds or 60 seconds, either or is fine. If you do use a UV lamp, it would need to be 2 minutes. So the LED lamp is a lot faster and it uses less energy. So best of both worlds. So you cure that and then you apply 1 coat of the color that whatever you want, and then cure it again, and then apply the 2nd coat, and then cure it again, and then you apply your top coat. So once you do the top coat and cure that, take an alcohol wipe and then you take off any residue that's on there. So it's the tackiness basically, right? You take all that off. So once you do that, the result is like a smooth application of the nails. And again, this is very easy, very simple. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I can't get enough of these nails right here. Probably won't do my nails again for another couple of months or so. I'm pretty sure in the next 2 weeks or a month I will take this color off. Maybe I'll paint my nails again afterwards. Maybe I'll give them a break. I have no idea. Again, I don't really paint my nails much anyways. But yeah, if I do, I will post it on my Instagram, of course, on my stories, so you guys can see the shades, or just head on over to Madame Glam and just look at their swatches there. But anyways, you guys, I have to head on out right now. I need to go for a Japanese barbecue. It's getting kind of late, so I need to really head out, and yeah, so I really need to head out, get ready and everything, so I'm not late to my reservation. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video of today's tutorial demonstration of my manicure. And before you leave, make sure you check out these other 2 videos right here if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!